Yes, I'm in the same outfit, and so what? Alright, so I have some leftover, like chia seed, not even a cup. And I have some flax seed. I have some bananas going bad. So I was thinking, let's make a chia pudding, chia overnight, whatever kind of chia you want to call it, because I don't like to let my foods go bad. So these bananas could also be added to like overnight oats. And this gonna go in my garden, or composting I should say, right? Okay, let's add the bananas. And then what I'm going to do is mash it up. You know what? I'm missing a couple of ingredients. Let me grab them. So I needed almond milk. This is the unsweetened kind. And some cinnamon. I don't have vanilla extract, but this would have been really good with it too. I mashed the banana. And remember the apple pulp? I am gonna add it to this. Nothing goes to waste. At least I try not to let anything goes to waste. If you didn't watch my juice video, I juice apples and apples and ginger. Alright, so let's add a little bit of cinnamon, and then I am going to add the chia seed. Now I'm not gonna use the whole chia seed because I have the apple. Okay, and then I'm gonna add, you see I have maybe half left. I'm gonna eyeball it and add flaxseed, and then I'm gonna add, you know what, I'm going to add the whole flaxseed. The flaxseed is what's gonna, I guess, keep it together. I'm eyeballing, I'm just adding some milk, maybe half a quarter cup, and then I'm just giving it a stir, you see. And I'm gonna let this in my fridge. It's not looking too good, but I'm still gonna eat it. You know what I'm gonna add to this? A pinch of salt, just to bring it out. You're probably wondering what it tastes like, so let's taste it. Okay, this is what it's looking like, nice and thick. It's not looking too appetizing, but this makes a nice breakfast. I'm just sharing my recipe with you. You try it, great. You don't want to try it, that's up to you. But I've never made this before, but I have added chia seed before to my overnight oat because I wanted to try it out. So let's try this out. Honestly, it's really good. Like, I'm glad I added a pinch of salt. Like, it really brings the recipe together. Wow, this is a lot. This is like a lot. This probably last me the whole rest of the week. Full of sweat, fiber. After my fridge is good. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.